Surf City Daniel brings you another choice rod, a 32 5-window coupe Ford from Donor Derelicts here in Huntington Beach, Surf City, USA. This car happens to be for sale. As you zoom in on the details of the car, it's 32 Ford 5-window, project car and rod and custom 0508, cover car and rod and custom November 08. Chopped and channel frame has 6-inch kick drop and is rebuilt 53 caddy, 331 a cubic inch. Anyway, he's candy apple red.
Not many cars here.
And I got some hubcaps on wide whites. Pretty nice choice. And the price should sell this pretty good. Got some nice pinstriping on it. And the mirror antennas come right out of the body. A little old school, a little modern, a little custom. Surf City Daniel reporting live. Donor Derelicts, Huntington Beach.